In this video, I'll show you how to create mind maps with Claude AI. This is a simple way to organize ideas and visualize concepts. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a mind map. For example, I might type, "Create a mind map for starting an online business." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a mind map structure, usually in a hierarchical format with main ideas and subtopics. If I want a more visual format, I can ask Claude to output it in a diagram format like Mermaid or a structured outline. For example, I might type, "Create a mind map in Mermaid format." Claude can also help expand the mind map by adding more branches, ideas, or details. Once the mind map is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it in diagram tools, notes, or presentations. And that's it, I've successfully created a mind map using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.